Right. We've got more storms coming in later on tonight through the evening, overnight, and then again a couple of rounds as we head into the day on Tuesday. So a bit of an unsettled start to the work week here as we head into today and tomorrow. Tonight we're under the slight risk for severe weather that mainly consists of western, north central Iowa into central portions of the state here. That's a level 2 out of 5. We're looking at wind and hail concerns as we head into the overnight hours tonight. This is what it looks like timing wise. Again, as we mentioned, pretty quiet here as we go into Monday afternoon. Some clouds, maybe a few storms bubbling up across the area later on this afternoon. That's not going to be widespread. That'll be pretty isolated here. As we go into the dinner hour, some clouds roll in, but I think it's after sunset that we start to see more storms fire here across portions of Iowa. Better chance for some storms to roll in during the pre-dawn hours on Tuesday. You see this cluster of storms moving out of eastern Nebraska. That pushes into western Iowa here as we head towards daybreak tomorrow. So we have storms coming in the first part of the day on Tuesday. Depending on how long those last, what those do to the atmosphere, that kind of will set the tone for tomorrow afternoon and evening. We have that initial push of storms and energy here early tomorrow morning, and then we've got another wave of energy coming through with this next push of energy that comes through by Tuesday afternoon and evening. That'll be the better chance for severe weather tomorrow afternoon and evening. We're talking tornado, wind and hail threats here, as well as heavy rain, some localized flooding concerns as we go into Tuesday evening and overnight. So those storms come through, and then it pushes off into eastern Iowa by tomorrow evening. So we're talking by 8, 9, 10 o'clock. I think the biggest threat will be pushing into eastern Iowa. We'll clear out after that, but the winds will be very strong here throughout the day tomorrow and into Tuesday evening. Wednesday we'll get a little bit of a break here from the severe weather threat, and then we've got more storms coming in by the end of the work week. But tomorrow, that enhanced risk for severe weather, that's a level 3 out of 5. That includes much of the state. And again, that's going to be in the morning hours, but then again, better chance for those stronger to severe storms by tomorrow afternoon. Have a way to get warnings for tomorrow, especially overnight tonight. And then throughout the day on Tuesday, you'll want to have your app handy. You can get those warnings on our KCCI weather app. Also, if you have a weather radio, that would be good to have that plugged in and ready to go starting tonight. Here's what it looks like right now. That warm front draped across northern portions of the state. This is going to roll through tonight, and then we'll see another wave of energy come through tomorrow. That'll be the stronger wave of energy that will set off those severe storms heading into tomorrow afternoon and evening. Places that have already seen the sunshine, those temperatures jumping up. We're 20 degrees warmer than this same time yesterday up near Spencer, Algona, Carroll. The clouds are kind of lingering out towards eastern Iowa, so taking a little bit longer for us to warm up there. Otherwise, near 80 across western Iowa, mid-70s here in Des Moines. Our dew points are climbing, and again, that's a good indication that we've got a lot of moisture in the air. That will help fuel those storms not only tonight, but also as we go through the day tomorrow. It is on the humid side as well, especially with those dew points near 70 down through Creston, Sheraton, and Lamoni. Next 12 hours look like this. Our storm chances ramp up after sunset tonight and through the overnight hours. Those winds get a lot stronger tomorrow. We're looking at gusts outside of those thunderstorms anywhere from 35 to 45 miles per hour and stronger wind gusts within those storm cells. So a lot happening tonight through the day tomorrow. Make sure you stay weather alert and have a way to get the warnings. Today we're in the 80s. Tonight we drop back only into the low 60s, and then tomorrow's forecast has us back into the mid 80s with lots of storms. 8-day forecast keeps us into the 70s through Wednesday and Thursday. More rain chances by the weekend.